The Siser Color Guide. Do you have one? Have you seen it around? Maybe you haven't heard of it. So for a long time, we've had a color guide that has only offered heat transfer vinyl. So here you get a great look at all the up-to-date heat transfer vinyl by Siser North America. And you even get a great feel of what each product type is like. Then, recently, in the Siser studio, we added some magic and made this happen. Which brings us the EasyPSV color guide. So the new line by Siser North America, the pressure sensitive vinyl. So you get a great look at all of our EasyPSV line, you get a feel of it. It's awesome, helpful marketing tool. But we have two of these. So we're in the Siser studio, let's try to make more magic happen. Add a little bit of this, a little bit of that, some magic, and bam. We're always trying to better our marketing materials to help you and your business with Siser products. So if you want to get your hands on one of these latest Siser color guides, contact your authorized Siser distributor or authorized Siser reseller. Also, don't forget about our app. You can download it at the App Store or Google Play for free. It is going to show you all these colors, both the heat transfer vinyl and the EasyPSV. So don't forget about that as well. Thank you all for watching.